Hello students, good morning. I am your new teacher Mrs. Abhita Raipalli and I am here going to teach you the second paper, that is from your first semester, paper number 2nd, Animal Diversity 2nd, and from that the first unit is your Protochordata. Unit number first is Protochordata. Now what is meant by Protochordata? Okay, all of you listen here. What is meant by Protochordata? Now what is meant by proto? All of you know the meaning of chordata. The animals in which nerve cord and notochord is present are known as chordate animals. Okay, the animals or the organisms in which nerve cord and notochord is present is known as chordates. Now what is meant by proto? Proto means primitive. Okay, listen here again. Proto means primitive organisms or firstly evolved organisms. Firstly evolved organisms. Proto means primitive or firstly evolved organisms. Now what is meant by protochordates? That means primitive chordates or firstly evolved chordates. Okay. Now what are the general characters? General characters of protochordates. Now firstly these are lower chordates. Now what is meant by lower chordates? These are lower chordates. Now what is meant by lower chordates? As I told you, proto means primitive, that is firstly evolved chordates. Therefore these are also known as lower chordates. Okay, the first character of protochordate is these are lower chordates. Now second one is these are acraniates. Acraniates. Now what it means by acraniates? That craniate means true brain box or skull or skull. That means acraniate. Craniate means true brain box or skull. A means absent. Now what is meant by acraniates? That means in the protochordates true brain box or skull is absent. Therefore these are known as acraniates. Okay. Now third one is notochord is present. Notochord is present only in embryonic development. Embryonic developmental stage. Okay, in these protochords the notochord is present only in early embryonic developmental stages. That means in these animals, in these protochordates, notochord is not present throughout the stage. Okay, in these protochords the notochord is present only in early embryonic developmental stages. That means in these animals, in these protochordates, notochord is not present throughout the life. Okay. Now next one is these animals are marine water. That means only found in sea water, not found in rivers, only found in sea. Therefore these are known as marine water. Okay. Now next one is these animals are bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical. Now what is meant by bilaterally symmetrical? Symmetrical means symmetry. Now what is meant by bilaterally? Bi means two, lateral, longitudinal, two portions. If we cut the body of these protochordates, the two portions, the two body parts are equal in size and distributed equal organs in each part. Therefore these are known as bilaterally symmetrical organisms or animals. Okay, tail is present in these animals. Tail is present to ensure the balance of the body, to ensure the balance of body. For example, Herdmania, Amphioxus and Balanoglossus. Now the protochordates are classified into classification. The protochordates are classified into 3 subphyla. Okay, these protochordates are classified into 3 subphyla. First one is Hemichordata, second one is Urochordata, and third one is Cephalochordata. Okay, got it? Okay, listen again. What is meant by protochordata? Protochordata means, proto means primitive or firstly evolved animals. मराठीत सांगते का? प्रोटो मीन्स पहिल्यांदा जे ॲनिमल्स कॉर्डेटमध्ये इव्हॉल्व झालेले आहे त्यांना प्रोटोकॉर्डेट्स असं म्हटलेले आहे. प्रोटो म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा इव्होल्युशन होऊन तयार झालेले, नॉन कॉर्डेटपासून कॉर्डेटमध्ये इव्हॉल्व झालेले ॲनिमल्स, त्यांना प्रोटो किंवा प्रिमिटिव्ह कॉर्डेट्स असं म्हटलं जातं. ओके, कॅरेक्टर्स आहे त्याचे. दीज आर लोअर कॉर्डेट्स, म्हणजे हे एकदम पहिल्यांदा इव्हॉल्व्ड झालेले आहेत, फर्स्टली इव्हॉल्व्ड, म्हणून यांना लोअर कॉर्डेट्स असं म्हटलेलं जातं. अक्रेनिएट्स, दॅट मीन्स ट्रू ब्रेन बॉक्स और स्कल इज ॲब्सेंट. नाउ व्हॉट इज मीन्ड बाय स्कल? इन मराठी स्कल इज नोन ॲज कवटी. आपण जे म्हणतो ब्रेन बॉक्स किंवा कवटी ज्याला असं म्हणतो, ती कवटी ह्या प्रोटोकॉर्डेटमध्ये नसते, त्यामुळे अक्रेनिएट्स. नोटोकॉर्ड इज प्रेझेंट ओनली इन अर्ली एम्ब्रियोनिक डेव्हलपमेंटल स्टेज. प्रोटोकॉर्डमध्ये नोटोकॉर्ड हे फक्त सुरुवातीला ज्यावेळेस एम्ब्रियो डेव्हलपमेंट होत असते त्याच वेळेस एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेजमध्ये नोटोकॉर्ड हे प्रेझेंट आहे. दीज आर फाउंड ओनली इन सी वॉटर और ओनली इन मरीन वॉटर. फक्त समुद्रातच हे प्राणी आढळतात, हे प्राणी नदीमध्ये आढळत नाहीत. Bilaterally symmetrical body. Bilaterally means if we divide the body in two parts, the body parts shows symmetry in nature. म्हणजे जर बॉडी आपण डिसेक्ट केला असेल किंवा आपण बॉडीचे 2 पार्टमध्ये डिवाइड केला तर दोन्ही पोर्शन हे एकसारखेच असणार, म्हणून त्याला आपण बायलॅटरली सिमेट्रिकल असं म्हणतो. टेल इज प्रेझेंट. टेल इज प्रेझेंट टू बॅलन्स द बॉडी, आणि त्याचे एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत हर्टमेनिया, ॲम्फिऑक्सस आणि बॅलेनोग्लॉसस. नाव दीज प्रोटोकॉर्डेट्स आर क्लासिफाईड. म्हणजे ह्याचे 3 क्लासिफिकेशन आहे, क्लासिफाईड इंटू 3 सबफायलाज. पहिला आहे तो हेमिकॉर्डेटा, दुसरा आहे तो युरोकॉर्डेटा आणि तिसरा आहे तो सेफॅलोकॉर्डेटा. ओके, इथपर्यंत समजलं की आर फर्स्ट classification is Hemichordata. Now what is meant by Hemichordata? Chordata, all of you know, I told you chordata, the animals in which notochord and neurochord is present, is known as chordates. Now what is meant by hemi? Hemi means half. Hemi means half. Okay, this hemi word is came from the Greek word. Hemi is a Greek word and that means half. Hemi means half. Okay, now these are worm like animals. Worm like animals. These hemichordates are worm like animals and the example is Balanoglossus. The example of hemichordata is Balanoglossus. I will show you the diagram of Balanoglossus. This is the diagram of Balanoglossus, the hemichordata. Body is elongated worm like and the body is divided into three portions: proboscis, collar and the remaining part is trunk. The remaining part is known as trunk. Okay, now these are cylindrical in nature. Cylindrical means like a tube like. मराठी त्याला आपण दंडगोलाकार असं म्हणतो. The body is cylindrical. These are found in marine water only. That means these are found only in seas. फक्त समुद्रातच हे प्राणी सापडतात. नदीमध्ये हे प्राणी सापडत नाहीत. These are worm like. As I told you, these are worm like. These are solitary. These animals, some of these animals are solitary and while some are found in colonies. That means what is meant by solitary? What is meant by solitary? The hemichordates are solitary as well as colonial animals. Now what is meant by solitary? Solitary means single. मराठीत आपण त्याला एकटा म्हणतो. हे एकटा सापडतो किंवा काही वेळेस हे कॉलोनीमध्ये सुद्धा असतात, ग्रुप करून असतात. ओके, these Balanoglossus or these hemichordate animals are solitary in nature or sometimes these are found in colonies or stay in colonies. Okay, the body is cylindrical. As I told you, the body is cylindrical, tube like, unsegmented. segments नाहीत, त्यामुळे त्याला आपण unsegmented असं म्हणतो. Body is cylindrical, unsegmented and stout. What is meant by stout? मोठा. Okay, body is unsegmented, cylindrical and stout. मराठी त्याला आपण ट्यूब लाइक, दंडगोलाकार, ट्यूब लाइक और अनसेगमेंटेड, सेगमेंट्स नसलेले आणि मोठा असा हा हेमिकॉर्डेट्स ॲनिमल्स आहेत. ओके, the body is divided into three portions. As I told you, the body is divided into three portions. The first one is proboscis, second one is collar and the third portion is known as trunk. Okay, the body is divided into three parts. First part is known as proboscis, second part is known as collar and the third part, the remaining part is known as trunk. Okay, the collar bears arms or tentacles. 2-3 portions. As I told you, the body is divided into three portions. The first one is proboscis, second one is collar and the third portion is known as trunk. Okay, the body is divided into three parts. First part is known as proboscis, second part is known as collar and the third part, the remaining part is known as trunk. Okay, the collar bears arms or tentacles. म्हणजे कॉलर मध्ये आर्म्स किंवा टेंटॅकल्स प्रेझेंट असतात. ओके, these animals respire with gill pores. म्हणजे यांचा रेस्पिरेशन काय आहे? थ्रू गिल्स आहे. These animals respire through gill pores. Circulatory system comprises heart with longitudinal vessels. Okay. The circulatory system of these animals is closed type. It bears heart and two vessels, longitudinal vessels. The blood of these animals has no color. म्हणजे ब्लड जे आहे ते कलरलेस आहे अँड विदाउट कॉर्पसल्स. नाउ व्हॉट इज मीन बाय कॉर्पसल्स? ब्लड सेल्स. कॉर्पसल्स आर नथिंग बट ब्लड सेल्स. दॅट मीन्स आपण ज्याला WBCs, RBCs, ब्लड प्लेटलेट्स जे म्हणतो ते ब्लड कॉर्पसल्स जे आहे ते या हेमिकॉर्डेट्समध्ये सापडत नाहीत. दॅट मीन्स द ब्लड हॅज नो कलर अँड विदाउट कॉर्पसल्स. The proboscis itself make up the excretory system. Okay, the proboscis itself make up the excretory system. In these hemichordates, sexes are separate. That means both male and female are separate. But sometimes both these sexes are found in only one and the same animal. Okay, listen again. In these hemichordates, the sexes are separate. That means both male and female animals, female organisms are found separate. But sometimes in some hemichordates, both these sexes are found in only one and the same animal. Therefore, fertilization is either internal or external. If sexes are separate, that means male and female organisms are separate, at that time the fertilization is external. But when the sexes are present in same animal, the fertilization is internal. That means the fertilization is either external or internal. Okay, these are the characters of hemichordata. Our first classification of protochordate. That means the first subphyla of our protochordate hemichordata. Okay, listen again. I will repeat the general character of hemichordata. Okay, now hemichordata, hemi means half, hemi means half, and these are worm like animals. These are solitary or sometimes found in colonies. These animals are found in solitary or in colonies, both in solitary and in colonies. The body is worm like. The body is worm like. The body is divided into three parts. The upper portion is known as proboscis, the middle portion is known as collar, and the lower portion or the ventral portion is known as trunk. The body is divided into three portions. Okay, the collar bears arms and tentacles. In bears means present. In the collar, arms or tentacles are present. These animals respires with gill pores or gill slits. Okay, the digestive system is complete. Okay, the heart is present and circulatory system is closed. The blood has no color and without corpuscle. That means there is no WBCs, RBCs or any platelets present in the blood. Therefore, these are known as without corpuscles. Okay, the proboscis or proboscis gland or glomerulus itself make up the excretory system. Okay, the sexes are separate or sometimes found in united or found in only one and the same animals. Therefore, fertilization is either internal or external. And the example of hemichordata is balance.